What's the meaning of backdoor? Backdoor. Backdoor.
Backdoor. Backdoor. The term backdoor can be used in several contexts, but its common meaning refers to a covert or unauthorized access point to a computer system, software application, or network. It is typically a hidden pathway that allows hackers or unauthorized personnel to gain access to a system without being detected or going through the standard authentication process. The backdoor can be created intentionally by software developers or accidentally through security vulnerabilities. In some cases, backdoors can be used for legitimate purposes such as to provide authorized access to system administrators or developers. However, they are often exploited by hackers and cybercriminals to gain access to sensitive information or cause damage to a system.